As to the button event listeners, we don't have to add a listener to radio buttons because as you click with the mouse on the canvas, we are going to create the shape by reading those radio buttons. We can just take care of that at the mouse press button event. However, all other buttons on the bottom, we should add the event listener. So let's take care of those ones later. So at this moment, as I click the mouse on the canvas, let's read the settings of all radio buttons and then create a shape accordingly. So event listener, as a mouse pressed, we need to read the settings. So let's define something convenient for our methods. So first, let's call color, get color setting, and then size, get size settings, and then finally shape, get size by providing color and size, and then we are going to get the corresponding shape. Then we can add this shape onto the canvas. So canvas, we had shapes array list, and then to have it accessed from event listener, we need to set up a getter for that. So get shapes is there. So at this moment, let me delete the test one, rendering one, so we don't need that at all. So let's remove that. So event listener. Let's define get color. Color. This is not to be accessed outside this listener, so have a private member color get color there. And let's take care of those import issue. Import Java AWT color there. So get color, we need to read radio buttons. So if panel get white color is selected. If that is true, return color white. Else if panel get red, not rectangle, get red color is selected, then return color red. Else if panel get yellow color is selected, return color yellow. We have only 3 colors, so you don't have to check the last one, but later if we add more colors, this would be the right thing to do. And if none is selected, that should not happen though, but here error message is that it does not return. There is a case that it may not return. So color, default color is white there. So get color is like that. And then let's have a get size, a private int get size. Then let's predefine small, medium size color as a public constant, public static final int. Small means 40 pixels. Mid means 60. Large means 80 pixels. Then for clarity, let's give a prefix size like that. So get size, if panel get small size is selected, return size small, else if panel get mid size is selected, return size mid, else if panel get large size is selected, return size large. Their default value is size small. There. So get size is there. This should be get shape method. Now color and size are provided. Then let's return shape, a specific shape, circle, rectangle, triangle. Though get shape, color, int size there. So if panel get circle button is selected, then return new circle. X position is the mouse button. Press E has the location. So let's have just a convenient parameter for that, e.getX. Y is e.getY. Then new circle, X, Y, and radius, and color. And then finally, we need to have field information. So before that, let's have whether color field or not. So Boolean field get field information is there. And then let's define private Boolean get field. So we need to read the checkbox. If panel get field box is selected, then return true, else return false. You could use ternary operator question mark and the colon for a simple notation. So that is, if I do that, also this is a simplest form. Just true false is there, so we can simply return that. So we need to pass another information field, Boolean field, and last parameter is a field there. And circle class is from model, else if panel get rect button is selected, then return new rectangle, XY width is size, height is size, color field there. And else if panel get triangle button is selected, then return new triangle, X, Y, size is there, and field is there. And then default, if none of the button is selected, which does not happen in our program because the default is set. But anyway, let's return that so that it has all the possible cases. And X, Y is coming from mouse pressor, so we need to pass those information. So actually this is not correct program, so let me correct that. And then int X, int Y has to be passed as well. Then X is e.getX, Y is e.gety there. So that's the correct one. Once we have a shape, then panel, get canvas is not there, so go back to the panel, canvas created all the way up here. We need to give a getter for that, so let's give a get canvas method there, then event listener. So let's try again, panel, get canvas, get shapes, add shape is there. Canvas shapes is I shape draw type, so we have to take care of that. So this get shape, I shape draw interface type should be there. Then I shape draw interface type is the one expected for the array list, so that corrects all the errors there. And then after adding a shape, we need to refresh the canvas by calling repaint method. Then update will be displayed. So we have added many lines of the code. Let's test if it works. Run, drawing. So those are choices. Circle, circle there, yellow, yellow circle, red, red circle, field, field, rectangle, field, and triangle, field, not field, yellow, not field, and like that. So it seems it works. Medium size, large size, medium size circle. So circle is bigger than others because it was size was a radius, and large red or yellow field circle. It's huge.